Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgia if you are new here, and today I have grants available for you. The first grant that I do have available is going to be by Open Grants. This is actually a site that I think would be a great resource to you guys. So this particular website, Open Grants, it is free and you are able to search for grants on this website. What you can do is you can also find a grant writer on this website, and I'm just going to show you guys here. So the free version, you can search the grants database and you can hire grant writers. They also have resources that are available and guides that would apply to any type of business, based on you trying to get funding for your business. So that's going to be super important. And then if you do decide that you do want to pay for this, you still get those 3 features that you would get with the free version, but then you would also get these additional things. So flag grants, you get email alerts, take notes, power search, export results, and personalized matching, which looks really good. And it's $29 a month. So if you decided, okay, I want to do the free version, but if you say, okay, you want to pay, then you could do that. But just remember that if you do the free version, then you get to you can still hire a grant writer and you can still search the grants database, which is, the most important part. And then you don't have to pay that $29 a month. Another thing I did want to highlight on this video, since I do talk about grants a lot on my channel, is that I do have an ebook, The Business Credit Finesse. And so I do show you step by step, whether you have already started building business credit, you're a brand new business, you're somewhere in the middle. I was able to open up a party store using business credit. And so I walk you through with a personal guarantee and without a personal guarantee, whether you have bad credit, good credit, whatever the case might be. I definitely recommend that you go check this out, just because I do see the comments where some people say, like, they've applied, they haven't heard back. You do have to keep in mind that there are so many businesses applying. One of the videos got like over almost 100K. So you have to like kind of think, granted, I'm sure not all 100K are applying, but just from that one video alone, how many people are looking for business funding. Keep in mind that when you want to build business credit, that puts you in the driver's seat position. It gives you some sort of control of the outcome. And I would say it gives you full control of the outcome. I explain in the book how to build your business credit. If you have bad credit, how to fix your personal credit, and then how to build credit from there, how to build your business credit from there. So you are able, from the worst case scenario, you're able to build business credit. And if you are already in a position, you can start building business credit right away. So make sure you definitely go check that out. For this as well, this is definitely a business credit card that I always recommend. You can have actually bad credit and still get this business credit card. I will put the link of everything in the description box below. But I definitely recommend, for if you're interested, definitely go ahead and check out Divvy. They're a great resource to have when you're trying to build business credit. And the next grant that I have is going to be the Catalyst Fund. So for this particular grant, this closes March 31st of 2023. These are more so the more niched grants. Everything else I provided, obviously you don't have to be within a certain type of business or a certain demographic. This particular grant is going to fall within a certain demographic. So the business does have to be 51% owned by a Black identifying entrepreneur, and you have to be based in one of these states: Atlanta, Birmingham, Dayton, Los Angeles, New Orleans, New York, St. Louis, and or Washington. And then the application opened February 20th. It closes March 31st. They review between April 3rd to the 14th, and then they announce in May of 2023. And so eligibility is typically the same as all the other grants that I mentioned, with the exception of the demographic being that it has to be owned by a Black identifying entrepreneur. And they're going to award $175,000 in grants to Black entrepreneurs total. So if you fall within that category, definitely go ahead and check it out. As I mentioned with these, make sure that you do complete the application to the best of your ability and always be as detailed as possible. For the next grant, I do have the BG&E Small Business Grant. This is their round 1 for 2023. And so for this particular grant, you do have to be in the state of Maryland, and you do have to have a registered BG&E account, business account with BG&E. So that would qualify you, as well as some other things. They do, their round 1 actually closes March 24th, and then they're going to have a round 2 as well. So if for some reason you don't apply or whatever the case might be, then make sure that you do prepare for round 2 later on this year. And then everything is pretty much, as I mentioned, in good standing, or on the way to with the state of Maryland, a maximum of 25 employees. Your annual gross has to be less than 7 million in 2022. Pretty straightforward. Like I said, it has to be in the state of Maryland, and you have to be an existing BG&E customer in good standing with BG&E. The last grant that I do have is Democratizing the Friends and Family Round 2023. This particular grant, pretty straightforward. To be eligible, the applicant must be a U.S. resident, leading for-profit companies with at least one woman identifying as a woman of color, and be based in New York City. So pretty self-explanatory. This particular one ends a little bit early, March 3rd. So that's why I put it at the end, because that would be the case. So pretty straightforward. I am doing a giveaway for a small business when I reach 10,000 subscribers. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe, and that giveaway will be announced once I do reach the $10,000 giveaway on how you can enter to win. So I'm excited for that. Thank you guys so much. And I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I have business credit videos coming for you guys. So many different business credit videos coming for you, ways to fund your small business and tips and things like that. So make sure you do go ahead and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye.